Hi guys, welcome back for another video. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Ice Cream, Aisha, whatever you want to call me, and I post videos once a week on a Sunday. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this flower turban tutorial that I did on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me there because I post turban tutorials once a week on a Saturday. So yeah, I did this video. So basically how it came about was that quite a few people actually tagged me in a video that was posted on Instagram of a woman doing a very similar style, pretty much the same kind of thing, but she did it in a very different way. And they said, Ice Cream, can you do us a tutorial for this and make it look a lot easier? So I thought, oh, okay, this is an interesting style. I had no idea how to go about it. So one day I just decided to just get a scarf out and play around with it and see if I could actually achieve the style. So I did it, and by some grace of God, it was like magic. I kind of managed to just do it in the most straightforward way ever. And then I posted it, and it was so funny. I'll post some of the comments here, but the comments made me laugh. People just like, wait, what just happened there? Was it magic? Magic, da, da, da. And so yeah, so people loved that one, and so I thought I would do one for my YouTube channel so that you guys can see it as well. And if you're not, like I said, following me on Instagram, then follow me over there so you can see all my turban tutorials weekly. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do this turban. It is a lot easier than it looks. The only difficult bit for me really is the pinning, because well, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I hate using pins because I just prick myself, which is why most of my turban styles do not use pins. But yeah, I do it, and you'll see that it's turned out, the flower has turned out slightly different to when I did it on my Instagram video, but in general it's the same look. So each time you do it, it will look a little bit different, your flower, because it's impossible to get every ruffle exactly the same. But it still looks cute, right? Probably didn't need to put these earrings underneath because it's just hidden, but yeah. Hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, let me know what you think of the style, and ask any questions you have down below, and I'll catch you in my next video, guys. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm using a maxi scarf. So it's a huge scarf that it's huge and long, and I folded it in half, as you can see there, and then I just put it over my head. Both the sides need to be equal lengths. Okay, and just adjust it so it is perfectly framing your face, and then I just cross the two sides over at the back like so. Just switch them around. Go, and just adjust it, secure it, all that good stuff. And then you need to take one side and just neaten it up, basically. Prepare it ready to go over your head, and once it's prepared and neat, then just bring it round over your head to the other side, and then go under the one that you have dangling down. Okay, so you go underneath, and then you need to tuck it into that fold as I'm doing here. Okay, and wait for the camera to focus. And then you start making your flower like this. So literally, see what I'm doing? I'm just literally ruffling it with my fingers. Ruffle, ruffle, ruffle. Bring it up. Okay. Ruffle it up. Ruffle it up. So you ruffle it up, bring it up to your forehead, to the side of your head, and then you need to just start pinning it down. So this is my worst part because I pricked myself. To be fair, I only pricked myself one time for this one, so that was quite impressive for me. Okay, so literally just holding those ruffles in place and then start pinning them. So it's important to pin the ruffles together, if you know what I mean, and then to also pin the flower down to the base of the scarf. That way it's going to stay. If you're just pinning the ruffles together, the moment you let go, it's going to release itself. It's going to collapse. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's what you gotta do. Just pin it all. Trying to maintain the ruffles so it still looks like a flower. Making sure it's still recording, because there's nothing more annoying than doing a whole turban tutorial and your camera not recording. So I was looking in my mirror, by the way, because like I said, definitely need a mirror. Because like I said, you definitely need a mirror for this style. So yeah, mirror to the left of me. Bottom bit, so I just adjusted it. This style is literally all about adjusting. Like, just take your time on it, adjust where you need to, and you're good to go. See the way I did that pin as though I'm some pro. Wow. Beautiful. Now you have a cute little flower. Make sure you secure it all down really well so you don't have, you know, a bit of an embarrassing moment when you're out and about. And there you have it, the try that again, Ash. The flower power turban tutorial. Yes. Hope you like it, guys. Let me know down below if you do. Like I said, if you've got any questions, ask me down below. Bye.